All right, look at that bacon and egg waffled egg roll sandwich. Doesn't that sound good? Now I'll put some of this Melinda's Thai sweet chili sauce in there. It's so good. You like a sweet and sour sauce? A little kick to it, a little spice. So damn good. Let's set our mouth on flavor together. Let's get that bite. Wow. That just made my morning. Check out my other videos. I'm always posting interesting, unique, delicious stuff like this. Go check out Melinda's hot sauce. You'd be glad you did. This is super good on egg rolls, crab rangoon, fried rice, and egg roll breakfast sandwiches.